Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to look at chin zits, pimples, and acne. First off, we have this submission from Massacre, who said they had this on their chin for over a week. Also, stick around because we'll have more about this infection in a moment. I'll tell you what it is. And did you know that despite common myths, acne is more so associated with hormones than it is with hygiene? So no matter how much you want to wash your pimples away, you're really fighting a battle with your hormones. Let's look at some more examples while you take a moment to subscribe and hit that notification bell. So what was this clip? According to the OP, it was folliculitis that turned into a staph infection. This will likely need a trip to a physician for some antibiotics. Wow.